Hey friends, Gypsy here with Zero Discrimination YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. And I just want to take a few moments to share a few things with you. It's been a busy month, past month, and already November's got off to a very busy start. And I'm super excited to be packing today. I'm going to show you a few things that I've packed for my trip to the Netherlands. Yes, I'm going to Holland for the Kunsta, I don't even know how to pronounce it, rally, metal detecting rally in Holland. So I'm super excited about that. I just want to take a few moments to first thank everyone that came to my birthday bash. It was a blast and so much fun. There were natural finds found along with all the prize tokens and wonderful things that we gave away. It was just such a blast. Anyway, I just want to thank all of you personally from the bottom of my heart. It's the best birthday I've ever had. And also thank you for the birthday gifts, the birthday food. It just kept coming, just birthday everything. It was just perfect. So with all that said, now right after my birthday bash, I barely got a little breather, enough time to pack. So let me show you what I've been doing, and this is what I've got done today. I got all packed, and I've got everything pretty much that I'm checking. I'm checking one bag, and the dog isn't coming with me, but I am checking one bag. And what I've got in here is, believe it or not, there is an Apex in here. Apex right over here. And on this side, I've got the Garrett 18 Max Jace Robertson detector, along with my, you can see my pin pointer, my bag, and my rubber boots are in here, along with some Gypsy Jewel hats that I'm going to be signing and giving away. But what I like to do when I pack is I wrap the coil and wrap the detector with clothes to pad it, and that way I've got double duty there. So that's the way I do it. My rubber boots here, jeans, shirts, and my rain jacket and my regular jacket I will be carrying on my body when I get on the plane, so that way I don't have to mess with that. But I'll even have a little room for when I want to pick up a few little trinkets and souvenirs to bring back to the family. So my carry-ons, I've got my purse here that has a little my night clothes in it, just in case. Got a pajama pants along with a t-shirt and some makeup belongings in there. And then right here, I'll put my brush in there after in the morning. I've got my headphones and my moolah. And Seven wants to explore that right there. She said, oh, money. So anyway, that's pretty much how I like to pack, light as I can. This suitcase is really large, so it does have a shovel in here, believe it or not, as well. Already packed the shovel. I didn't bring my long handle. This suitcase is big enough to pack my long handle, or one of my long handles, this way. But for this one, I wanted to pack as light as I can. I've got a small shovel that it's easy to carry out in the field, and somebody wants outside. Anyway, let me show you here real quick. Got the stickers on there, so it's easy to recognize when I pick up my luggage. And Seven wants to get in on this. Let's see. Get this up here. Just to show you. Well, I'll zip the rest up later, but there you go. I'm all ready to go. Well, wish me luck in the Netherlands and Holland. I'm super excited. This one wants to go with me. This one wants to go with me, but I don't think they'll be coming this time. But thanks for watching, folks. I really appreciate all of your support. If you want to drop some money in chat, I appreciate it. Be some coffee money for my travels or something like that. I appreciate all of you and appreciate all your support, and keep on digging, and remember, just dig it, and we'll see you on the next.